Windows Update Error, WinRO-K80073712. The component store is corrupted. Don't panic. Here's exactly how to fix it, step by step.
Error 0x80073712 translates to Exeror, SXS, S, Component Store Corrupt. In simple terms, the Windows component store located at C, Windows WinSxS, is damaged. This folder manages all system files, updates, and configurations. When it breaks, Windows Update stops working entirely. The fix is to repair the component store.
This error can appear in several places. Windows Update will show a message saying the component store has been corrupted. Server Manager will fail when you try to install new roles or features. The CBS log will display as RestoreHealth entries, and Microsoft Store apps may malfunction or fail to update.
Solution 1. The most effective fix recommended directly by Microsoft. Open Command Prompt as administrator. First, run DISM with the Scan Health option to detect corruption. Then run DISM with RestoreHealth to download healthy component files from Windows Update servers and repair your local store. This operation may take 5 to 15 minutes. Wait for it to complete, then restart your computer.
Solution 2. Run the System File Checker after DISM completes. Open Command Prompt as administrator and type sfc/scano. This scans all protected system files and replaces corrupted versions with cached copies. Always run DISM first because DISM repairs the image that SFC uses as its source. Then, restart your PC.
Solution 3. Reset all Windows Update components manually. Open Command Prompt as administrator. Stop the update services by typing netstop wowserv, netstop bits, and netstop cryptcivil. Then rename the software distribution folder and the catroot2 folder to clear corrupted cache data. Finally, restart all the services with netstart commands. This forces Windows to create fresh download caches.
Solution 4. If DISM RestoreHealth fails because it cannot find source files online, use a Windows ISO as an offline repair source. Download the matching Windows ISO from Microsoft, mount it, and run DISM with the source parameter pointing to the install.wim file. This uses the ISO as a local source for healthy component files instead of relying on Windows Update.
Solution 5. The last resort. Perform an in-place upgrade using the Media Creation tool. This reinstalls all Windows core files, the component store, and system DLLs while preserving your personal files, apps, and even domain join information. Download the tool from Microsoft. Run it and choose Keep Personal Files and Apps. This process may take 2 to 5 hours.
So why did this error happen in the first place? The most common cause is an interrupted Windows update, such as a power loss or system crash during installation. Chronic low disk space on your OS drive is another major cause confirmed by real-world cases. Other causes include malware infections targeting WinSxS files, disk errors in bad sectors, failed software installations, EDR or filter driver interference at the kernel level, and registry corruption.
To prevent this error from returning, follow these tips. Keep at least 20 gigabytes of free space on your OS drive. Install updates regularly instead of postponing them. Run SFC scano every few months to catch file corruption early. Configure your antivirus to allow Windows Update connections. Never force restart your computer during updates. And consider using a UPS battery backup for desktop PCs to prevent power loss.
And that's how you fix Windows Update Error DRO-X80073712. Your component store should now be repaired and working properly. If this video helped you, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe for more Windows Error Fix videos. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.